Welcome to Nutrition Station, your path to vibrant health and wellness. This video is about how bananas can transform your skin. Are you tired of using harsh chemicals on your skin? Do you want to glow from the inside out? Well, you're in luck, because today we're talking about a natural wonder that's been hiding in plain sight. The humble banana. From soothing acne to hydrating dry skin, bananas are packed with nutrients and antioxidants that can transform your skin. And the best part, it's affordable, accessible, and easy to use. So let's dive into the amazing world of banana beauty and explore the top tips and tricks to get you glowing. Moisturizing bananas are rich in vitamins A and E, which help lock in moisture and soothe dry skin. Anti-aging antioxidants in bananas like vitamin C protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, promoting a more youthful appearance. Skin brightening vitamin C also helps reduce the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Soothing acne. Anti-inflammatory properties in bananas can reduce redness and swelling associated with acne. Exfoliating banana peels can be used as a natural exfoliator to remove dead skin cells and smooth out rough patches. Hydrating. Eating bananas helps keep your skin hydrated from the inside out, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Reducing inflammation. Compounds in bananas can help reduce inflammation in the skin, alleviating conditions like psoriasis and eczema. Remember to use ripe bananas for face masks and exfoliating. And always patch test before using banana peels on your skin. Here are some ways to use bananas for skincare. Face mask. Mash a ripe banana and apply it to your face. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Then rinse with warm water. Exfoliator. Rub the inside of a banana peel on your skin to remove dead skin cells and smooth out rough patches. Spot treatment. Apply a small amount of mashed banana to acne or dark spots and leave on overnight. Moisturizer. Mix mashed banana with honey or yogurt for a hydrating face mask. Body scrub. Mix mashed banana with sugar or salt for a natural body scrub. Enjoy the natural benefits of bananas for your skin. Remember, taking care of your skin doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the best. So go ahead, give bananas a try, and see the amazing benefits for yourself. Your skin will thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to Health Nutrition Station, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.